Eto na, Steph Curry highlights versus Lakers. Steph Curry with 37 points against Lakers. Panalo sila dito, guys. Yung galing ng layup from Steph Curry. Another floater with the board. Assist. Stephen Curry again sa ilalim. Ang magic shot, yung counted. Galing. Tingnan mo naman, oh. Out-balance na, na-shoot pa. Galing. Quickly again. Another angle. Ayan, klaro. Foul counted. Ito na naman si Steph Curry. Galing ang layo. 3 points. Pasok. Yun. Galing. Ang layo, oh. Pasok yan. Ito na naman, another 3 points. Pasok na naman. Galing, grabe. Yan na naman, pinasayaw yung kalaban. Floater. Pinasayaw si Doncic. Galing. Steph Curry again. Sa ilalim, ayun, pasok na naman. Steph Curry. Ito na naman, 3 points. Fake, shoot, pasok. 3 points again from Steph Curry. Ang ganda, oh. Shoot. Boom. Another one from Steph Curry, layup. Ayun, pasok na naman. Yan, Steph Curry, 3 points. Shoot. Galing. Tumba pa si Damon against the skin. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe. Bye.